Hikari HSAT-K9-1A Auto T-shirt neck joining machine. Neck joining machine with lead comprehensive performance. Exclusive patent technology. No need to reduct the collar. Avoid waste, reduce costs. Extended sewing range. Minimum sewing range 28 cm. Maximum 100 cm. 3 positioning invention patterns. Realize automatic necking joining part positioning, neck layer positioning, and neck edge positioning. Automation brings higher efficiency, synchronized trimming and vacuuming function, with automatic lifting foot, effectively improve production efficiency and sewing quality. New design fixing neck technology, convenient for complex fabric, sizing and operation. Automatic layer and manual mode can be switched freely through knee control device. Automatic piece counting function. It can realize daily production capacity and facilitate the calculation of piece. Automatically work for adults. Children's t-shirt surround neck, sport pants, waist elastic. Advanced Hikari IoT technology can be connected with phone app by Wi-Fi. Machines can be connected eternally to achieve the IoT connections, can be connected with ERP system. Establish the production form of real-time information sharing. Errors report and remote by internet connection. One skilled operator can make 220 PCS in an hour. One day of 10 working hours can make 2,200 PCS. Nearly 2 times of the manual neck joining, which greatly increase efficiency. Semi-automatic round neck machine will leading comprehensive performance. Hikari HSAT-K9-1A Auto T-shirt neck joining machine. Hikari focusing on new technology and automation.